Hi everyone, in this video we're going through an estimation for a set of working that will require us to correct answers to one significant figure. Alright, so the first thing to take note of is that if the final answer is one significant figure, your working should have one more additional accuracy point, so you write on 2SF in your working. Right, so get started by the question again. Sorry. So when you round off these few numbers to 2SF, you get the following. You get 5.0 and 10.05. 5 will tell you to round up. If you get 0, it will tell you to round down because the third SF, and you get 10. So you have 2SF, 2SF, and minus 2.95. 5 tells you to round up, and you get 3.0 again. And over here, the remaining square roots and cube roots, we left them alone. The reason being because we need to do it by side, and they will always go through a different kind of estimation, which is one we learned in the previous video. So you run by a calculator again, square root 37.1, and this will give you 6.09. And of course, you have a choice of writing it as a number 7 or 6. In this case, of course, 6 is a lower number, so you reverse the process. 6 squared will give you 36. And here, we approximate square root 37.1 as square root 36. Next, same thing here. For our cube root 220, we type this in your calculator. Cube root 220. And this gives you a similar number, 6.0368, as it goes on. And of course, in this case, you choose the number 6 again. Go up to 7, I can go up to 6. Let's choose a number that's closer. You choose 6. Reverse the process. Do 6 cube. And this gives you 216. So over here, when we approximate or estimate our cube root 220, you get the following. Cube root 216 instead. And you can type the whole thing in your calculator because all of these numbers have already been estimated or approximated to a reasonable degree of accuracy. And you can type this in the calculator and you will get 1. Right? And there's no need to run off the answer at the end. All this working here, right? You can choose not to write it and get run by. It's a mental sum. It's very easy just based on calculator work. What is required is just this section here. This must be written down because you have to show the estimation for your working. Right, that's it. Thank you so much for your time.